Alright, big dog. Follow me. I know a new hotspot. Alright? Land right on my mark. There'll be another tunnel. A better tunnel than the one we usually go to. There's like 4 NPCs in this one. Get ready. Alright. Go right to my mark. Oh shit. There's gonna be a hole right on my mark.
station located.
Sorry. Mom likes to call me like around 5 o'clock every day. Right. When you said there was a guy below you, he was laying down fucking right there next to the buy box. I could barely even see him. And then when we were running into this area, you ran right by a guy. He was laying down, not moving. And I almost ran by him too, but thank God I fucking saw his helmet.
Throwing stunner.
I didn't get nobody. We gotta go, dude. I'm taking this.
Marked our rally point. Grenade out.
Dude, I gotta take this redeploy out of here. Come to me, come to me, come to me. I got you covered. Because we gotta take this redeploy out of here. The line's coming. Dude, come to me quick. I'm out of here. I kept telling you, dude. I kept telling you, come. Yeah, but he was hiding, and I'm not, you know, we're right on the line. Lose my ghost. Some money. What is it? I see that. Doors open.
Found an aid station.
I'm just going for it. You can land there if you want. I got enough to get you in. I'm not fucking around. I'm getting you in. Okay, I see that. I think that's a lamp. He's right there.
Tracking mover.
Alright, where's there another buy? In the fields.
Here, I'll have it.
What the fuck? Why would I just take his rig?
I'll try. Lock it up.
Sure. I'm back in the truck. We're going up on the hill. Oh, boxes? Yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying. This has been searched. Boxes right here. Land here. Land here. There's a box here. Bunch of guns. SMG. Plates. I will. I'm just looping around. Actually, I'm just going to get rid of this truck. Come back to you. Now we're at least up in the hills. Alright. Did you get anything good? Here's some, what do you need, AR or SMG? Well, you need a little of both? There's some SMG. There's some AR.
Meet Carls. Load up.
Yep. Okay. Oh, someone's shooting up here.
Tracking mover.
Woo! Dude. How many bullets they got? What the fuck are they using? Oh, where's that helicopter? I got him.
Contact here.
Marking people, dude, right here.
Contact here.
Okay. I'm not looking. I mean, I'm looking, but I'm not shooting. I mean, I might shoot a rocket at him. Where are you going? There's good places all over the place. Oh. It just changed. I'm trying to catch up to you. Got a guy on me. Oh, no, he flew over.
Sights on hostile. Hostile spotted.
Guys coming right up behind us.
Hostile spotted.
Right up behind you. I got one dead. Oh my god. Clayton up. Oh no. He's right where that last mark was. Coming. Nice job. Nice job. Here, I got 5.
Armor there.
Woo! Good job, Joe. We are fucking him up, son. Well, what happened to me is I jumped trying to get to you quickly, and then all of a sudden they're right below me. I'm like, oh my god. So I had to reposition, and they both started shooting at me. I should go grab that bounty real quick.
Bounty contract. Let's hunt.
Yes. Can't afford someone else getting it. I'm kind of screwed. I got it. I am. I got the bounty. Now we know where he's at. Yeah, nice call out. Oh, I thought you wanted me to shoot at him. That's why you're marking him. Leave him. He's down here.
Enemy mark. Cancel that. Enemy marked.
Yep. Might run into the bounty. You see him?
Enemy marked. Enemy marked. Hostile spotted.
I see him.
Rally point set.
Right on my mark. Right here.
Marked our rally point.
Yep. You get loadout. I'm shooting at the bounty. Oh, someone just got bought in. Nice job. They're in this house.
Tracking mover.
Okay. Someone else just got bought back from this buy place. Yes. Yes, they're in this house.
Enemy marked. Frag at them.
Oh, I downed him with a frag.
Tossing smoke.
I'm not gonna. I got gas mask. They just came out. Multiple people. Oh, I only got 20 bullets left. Oh my god. Are you serious? Are you fucking serious?
Got me covered.
Get him! Get him, Joe! Thank you! Yes! Now I got ammo. 6 guys left.
Little shaken, but I'm good.
Nice job, Joe. You need plates? I got plates. Here. You deserve them.
Armor there. Armor there.
I'm in a bush. Get up to me. There's tons of bushes. Yeah, come on up. I'm gonna
Get to the
try,
safe
but
zone, now.
up here there's a couple good bushes. If you need to get in one. I just grabbed a gas mask. I'm back in the bush. I see him, he's right here.
Enemy marked.
I'm not gonna shoot until I have to. Oh, he sees me, I have to. I'm down.
Medical ASAP.
Stay there, don't move. I am. I'm good. I don't know how he saw me. I am.
Easy now.
We're alright. I got a gas mask. Downed him. Good job, Joe.
Decoy deployed.
He's a bullet, Joe. Got him! Got him! Oh, he's straight across, west. Got him! Last win! Woo! Warzone, baby! Yeah! Caldera Win. And I was streaming it on Twitch, so we'll have it forever. We'll have it forever. Woohoo! back up, man. Oh, that's awesome. Dude, I was slapping. Rock's good right, brother. 3,000 damage. Whee! Oh yeah, you're running the show. 11 kills. 11, nice.